Just look around and discover this untapped market of people with disabilities, or how you call it, how you name it, it doesn't matter. And just think about products and solutions for these target audiences. They are huge on the number. It's a blue ocean of possibilities. Just
Can you share a little bit about what we're seeing here?
yes, those three prototypes are results of the workshop we had at Covestro in summer of this year, and 11 students from the German universities for design. We are invited to create clothes or objects for models having disabilities. And we had two models, Moritz Klein and Julia. Julia has no arm and Moritz is using a wheelchair. So, and our students created for Julia this wonderful design object. It's actually a fashionable arm from the Covestro materials, which allows her to go to the party and have this accessory. So you can light it from inside, and when you dance, when she will dancing, it will move and make her very special. So, and she don't need to have a feeling that she missed something. She will be somebody everybody will be interested in to speak to her, and what do you have here, and so on. You know, it's became an object of desire and object of interest. It means people who are marginalized becoming interesting for everybody, and everybody wants to know. And here you can see that on this part he's always sitting on, there is no pockets and there is no sewings inside, so he is not harmed, and it is also stretching and breathing material. So, and here all this construction around his belly and his back allows him to sit comfortable, and his belly feels free. Because people who are sitting in a wheelchair, they always, or they often, most of them have problems with digestion. It means if they are sitting in the normal trousers with a belt, it could cause also physical problem, health problems. So in this case, it's a little bit like maternity story, and Moritz was so happy. And these elements, it's actually 3D printing. Like here, we can see we tried, Hein as an architect tried to make some function, new function in the material. And here on these places, on these points, it helps to hold the trousers on the body, to make it comfortable. So. And this is for, maybe you saw that some people sitting using wheelchair, their legs are going apart. It's because of the sitting position and of the disability, and it helps just to take it together. And also, if you need to take up the person, to bring from the chair to the normal chair or to the car, you can. It helps.
How do you believe we can contribute to make more fashion, to create better fashion for people with disabilities?
You know, actually, it's not about people with disabilities. It's about all of us. Yeah, because they are just a part of us. It's a quarter of population. I mean, and some of us are also disabled in parts of our life. I mean, every woman who has children is disabled to be as she was for 9 months and a little bit longer. And a lot of women who are pregnant have a problem not to be themselves because they don't have a clothes. They are the same problem actually. Or if you broke break leg or arm, you are also, for 3 or 4 months, you are not yourself because you can wear and you are not free. It is about all of us. But what about chemical companies? The first thing is that material needs to be ecological. And cotton is not ecological, everybody knows. It needs to be polymer, but with a function and a feeling like a cotton. And this polymer needs to be produced in an ecological way, which Covestro provides, like this. The companies just can make sure that more and more materials every one of us use in our life became more ecological and more human friendly, I would say. Yeah, like device, like our telephone or our car. It's human friendly, it's intelligent, and it's nice to use, and it's very convenient to use. The same story about fashion. It needs to get this way.